Out here, good food can make or break your entire trip. Because nothing tests your sanity quite like realizing you packed everything except the one thing you actually need to cook dinner. So today we're cutting through the chaos and talking about the camp cooking gear that actually matters. The stuff that keeps you fed, warm, and just sane enough to enjoy the wild places you came here for. Instagram may tell you that you need 6 Dutch ovens, a cast iron griddle the size of Medellin, and a portable pizza oven. Nonsense. Let's talk about the tools that make camp cooking actually possible and enjoyable. First up, your camp stove. Keep it simple, reliable, and gas powered. And for the love of flame, double check that your gas cans are actually compatible before you're 50 kilometers away from the nearest store. A camp stove gives you consistent heat, precise flame control, and quick boil times. No guessing, no waiting for coals. Your meals are ready when you want them, especially clutch at high altitudes or when you're starving after a long drive. Next, a pan and a pot. One solid skillet, one small pot, job done. A single pan and pot force you to keep meals simple and efficient. You can boil, fry, saute, reheat, and simmer without juggling 5 different tools. You don't need a full Michelin setup out here, just gear that does the job without complaining. Having a 12-volt fridge or even a good cooler means cold drinks in the middle of the desert, fresh food deep in the forest, and way fewer runs into town for supplies. It's comfort, convenience, and in some places, safety. Because let's be real, nothing boosts morale on day 3 like a nice coldie. A sharp knife and cutting board. Sounds kind of obvious, yet somehow, every trip, somebody always forgets. A cutting board gives you a stable surface, protects your fingers, and keeps food off dirty tables, rocks, or your tailgate. It keeps your prep clean and your meals actually sanitary. With a good camp knife, you can chop, slice, trim, and prep everything quickly. Don't be that person sawing tomatoes with a spoon. And finally, coffee. AeroPress, mocha pot, pour over, whatever you fancy, just bring it. Good coffee turns a cold campsite morning into a moment of calm. It's warmth, comfort, and a small piece of home right before you step into the wild. It sets your mindset for the whole day. Because without coffee, your peaceful morning in nature can turn into a full-blown crime scene. This setup works. Whether you're making gourmet camp meals or just boiling noodles. The point is, the right camp cooking gear saves time, stress, and in my case, It's proof that overlanding heals what the city breaks. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Smash that like button and let me know some of your favorite outdoor cooking gear in the comments below. And as always, see you on the road or off it.